Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a very powerful strategy, a price action strategy, the way I do my analysis from the higher time frame down to the time frame I take my entries. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how I do the analysis, then how I take my entry from the 1 minute time frame. Alright, because I'm a scalper and I take sharp entries. So I'll be showing you how I do the analysis right from the daily time frame down to the 1 minute time frame before taking an entry. Alright. So here on the daily time frame right now, what I do is that I will identify the trend, right? So as you can see right now, we are in an uptrend, right? There's no doubt about that. So after identifying that we are in an uptrend, alright, now I know the overall market trend. Alright, so the next thing I do, I go to the 4-hour time frame to see what's going on there. So here on the 4-hour time frame, alright, you can see the price is far away from our trend line, right? Our daily trend line. So what I do, I will need to draw a trend line that is close to where market is, right? Because it will take time before price gets to our daily time and the daily time frames trend line, right? And you want to get the big entry as soon as possible, right? So you need something that is close to you. So now I will make sure to mark out the support and resistance zone, alright? The horizontal support and resistance zone. So now what I do, I bring out my trend lines, my horizontal support and resistance line, right? So here, as you can see, there is a support and resistance zone right here, right? And also there is a support and resistance zone right here too, right? There is a support and resistance zone right here. So after marking out this zone, right, now I will go down to the 1-hour time frame to see what's going on there. So here on the 1-hour time frame, I'll mark out the support and resistance zone. I can see there also the valid ones, right? Now when marking out this support and resistance zone, you need to check or confirm if it's a valid one, right? You need to see multiple reactions. So as you can see here, there are multiple reactions to these trend lines, to this horizontal support and resistance zone. You can see that. So with all this reaction, you know that yes, this is a valid support and resistance zone, right? So now that I know that, what do I do next? I go down to the 30-minute time frame to see what's going on there. So as you go down to the lower time frame, you are going to have a clearer views and you have a better understanding of what the market is doing more, right? So now you can see here on the 30-minute time frame, right, I can still spot a support and resistance zone here, right? So now you can see there is reactions here, 1, 2. You can see there are reactions, right? And then there's this one up here. The price is currently battling with, alright? So now you see, you know what the market is doing, right? This is the reason why we do analysis, right? You need to know what the market is currently doing. So now on the 15-minute time frame, this is what I'm seeing, right? Let me check the 5-minute time frame, see what's going on there. Let me take this thing out of the way. So here on the 5-minute time frame, right? On the 5-minute time frame, this is what I'm seeing currently. Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. I need to draw out this zone so that I'll know what I'm up against. I need to draw the zone. You know, this thing is not just lines, right? It's a zone. But the reason why I draw the zone is to help me identify the zones and check how many times price react to it, alright, because I can't draw this zone to the back side, or you know what I'm talking about. So now that I have identified the zone, right, I'm working with the most recent movement, alright. I don't need to be going back checking. So my concern is that I work with the most recent ones, alright. So now what I'm concerned with right now is this zone and this one up here. These are the two area I'm concerned with right now, right? So this are the area I'm looking out to take my entry from, alright. So now it's like I'm already late, like let me go to the 5-minute time frame. So here on the 5-minute time frame, what do? I need to draw my trend line to know what is going on here. Let me get rid of this line now. Alright, so now I will draw my trend line to see what's happening here. Okay, so now I know what the market is doing, right? So you can see that price is currently at this area. So what we are waiting for now before taking any entry is either for price to break this trend line right below, or there can be a reaction from the trend line right from this area. Maybe price can come here and then spike up, right? But I'm not taking any entry from this place, right? This is where I'm waiting for to take entry. Maybe when I see a spike, maybe price come to this area. Let's say price come to this area and there's a spike and it breaks above this support and resistance zone, alright, the resistance zone above. This is where I will take my entry from. Immediately, any spike that breaks above it, that's where I'll be taking my entry, and then my stop loss is going to be below this trend line, right? That is going to be my stop loss. So now, for those of you who are going to, for those of you having a small account, like let's say a $10, you will not be able to use this strategy effectively, right? But for those of you with a $50 account and above, then you can use this strategy, because maybe when price is coming down here, those of you with a $10 account, that account will not be able to hold, right? Or if you have with a $50, let's say this is just like $7 loss or something, you can be able to hold, and when it spike, you regain everything, right? So that is one way. And then the other way this is going to go is that it's going to get down here, right, break above, maybe a little spike, then continue to the downside. When it gets to this zone, there can be spike, alright, and then it will continue up, or it will come a little spike here and then continue down. That's the way it's going to go. So guys, this is how I use price action to trade the boom and crash. But me personally, I don't trade the ticks, this small candle. What I do is that I catch spike, because with catching spike, I will be able to manage my risk. When trading against spike, whenever it spiked against you, it will not respect your stop loss, and that is the reason why I don't like trading against spike. So the trade I'm waiting for right now is that I'm waiting for it to get to this place, right? Maybe I can take the risk of buying from this zone, then my stop loss is going to be below this area, right? Because I can spot a support and resistance zone, so there's every possibility that spike is going to happen from this area and then continue above, right? So these are the trade me personally I'm waiting for right now, right? So this is how I personally trade, and I feel like I should share with you, for those of you who don't know, for those of you who are just starting out, and maybe it might be of help to you. So if you are just coming across my channel or my video for the first time, this is what I do here. I go out, look for a strategy that works, backtest it, and then I share it with you guys in order to help you become profitable too. Alright, so if you are getting value, please make sure to subscribe, join the family, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Alright, so this is the bus stop for me in this video. Alright, watch out for my next video because it's going to be massive. Right, so that's everything, guys. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Silver out.